want you to comment on how you think your diplomatic mission went in the United States. You said that Donald Trump was in pursuit of peace, and about 48 hours later he colluded with a horrific massacre on Gaza in which 400 people died. You smiled and nodded as he said his favourite person from Ireland was Conor McGregor. And lo and behold, on St. Patrick's Day, you stayed silent, then you joked about your father being a boxer, and on St. Patrick's Day, two rapists met each other in the White House. Two men found guilty by juries to be rapists. So we had the sight on St. Patrick's Day of Conor McGregor representing this country's views, an insult to the country, an insult to your government, actually, because he slated you, and so much for your diplomatic mission with Trump, but an insult to women. And when you normalise genocide, when you normalise misogyny, this is what happens.
So I'm answering you asked me the question about my trip to the United States and did I think it was this, that and the other. It's a very fundamental point. The economic relationship. Hundreds of thousands of jobs in this country depend on that economic relationship. A lot of workers out there are working in multinational companies and so on. Well, you did. You did ask me about
Deputy, you've asked your question. Taoiseach, will you please conclude the answer?
I'm not talking about... Sorry.
Resume your seat, Deputy.
You asked me, I did. I publicly stated my position on Conor McGregor. But you asked me how did the trip go? Did I think it was a success and so on like that? And you asked, but I'm not getting a chance to...
that question.
And you also, Deputy, you twisted a lot of you twisted it to suit your own agenda. And you didn't ask it, in my view, in an honest, upfront or truthful manner either.
Thanks,
and I have no truck with the masculine toxicity of Mr McGregor, but he's not a member of this House. I don't want to give him any...
Answered, so
but I just want to say, on the peace front, I genuinely believe that we need an end to both wars.